But I want to pause it here because I have Mary Fitzgerald in the house. Mary, are you there?
I'm here.
Amazing, amazing, Mary. Thank you so, so much for being here. Mary is inside the Webinar to Profit class. She is on the last class she's in. So she's here for about 4 or 5 weeks or so. And by the way, Mary, I love that color on you. Just
thank you.
really like it. So Mary has been with us for about a month, and I want you guys to hear what so far, just in a month, she has gotten from this program. Okay, so Mary, why don't we start with you telling people who you are and what you do?
Yeah, sure. So I am an entrepreneur. I've been in my own business for pretty much my whole adult life. I was a chiropractor for 20 years. Then I retired from that, did real estate and home staging. I teach home staging. And most recently, for the last couple of years, with Tikwa, who you might have met earlier, we are now business building coaches where we help people create their online business, starting with their online course.
Yes, yes, that's so awesome, so awesome. And so I would love to hear, because you came to this retreat, you didn't even have a chance to watch much, right? I remember that you couldn't come.
Yeah, I saw a lot of it on the replay. Yeah.
Yes, yes. But you came to the last retreat, and I wanna just hear what really made you feel like, you know what, because you ladies know a lot about technology, about creating courses and programs and all that. What made you feel like we need this kind of support? We cannot do this alone, for you to really jump into the program?
Well, we've tried a bunch of stuff on our own, and we succeeded to a point. And we had a coach last year that promised a lot, but didn't necessarily deliver. And even when we asked questions specific, we didn't always get the help that we needed. So Tikwa really was impressed with you, so she asked me to jump on. So that's what I did. And you know, I just liked the way that you were giving like actual strategies, not just general, not just saying, well, you have to get more audience, you have to build your email list. Well, everyone knows that, but how do you do that? And that's what I really appreciated about what you had to say, that you had actual strategies on how to do that.
Awesome, really awesome. Oh yeah, and you now know how many steps we have, right?
Yeah,
every lesson. Awesome. Now I know that you are super busy and you have a son and you work and you have another business and all that stuff. So how did you really find time? How did you block your time to watch the lessons and implement all that has to be implemented?
Yeah, well, it's not always easy, I have to tell you that. But yeah, because I was interested in learning it, so I figured I had to block the time out. So I did it mostly at night, you know, when the day sort of winds down, and, you know, just put my AirPods in and listen. And as far as the strategies go, I don't always do it perfect, but I do something every day. And that's really my main thing, is like, I just want to make sure that I get something done every day.
Yes, yes, wonderful. And I'm curious, how do you like how the lessons and the program is structured?
Oh, it's very good. And it's quick. So it doesn't take up a lot of time. You know, like sometimes you go with a coach and they go on and on and on for hours, and you know, nobody has that kind of time to necessarily give each day. But yeah, I think it's quick. It's like, you give us the information, answer our questions, and then we're back to our lives. So you know, that's definitely something that I appreciate as well. And then it's always there on the replay. You know, sometimes you can't make it, so it's always there on the replay. So that's very helpful.
Awesome. And I spoke with Tikwa yesterday, and one of the things that she said is that she really likes the accountabilities and the check-ins. Is that something that really helps you too?
Yeah, it's like sort of a double-edged sword because you want the accountability and at the same time you're like, oh no, I have to make sure I do what I have to do. So it is helpful in that sense.
Wonderful.
Yeah, for sure.
Wonderful. I love that. I love that. So I know you guys have another event coming soon. I forgot the date. So how about you invite everybody? Tell when is your event, what is about, and who is it for?
Yeah, so we're having an event April 23rd. It's a Saturday, 1 o'clock Eastern. It would be, I think, 10 o'clock Pacific. And what we're going to go over is basically how to create an online course in 6 weeks. And this particular, it's a free webinar. So we will be going over basically in this particular part, finding your genius and figuring out what it is you want to teach, because that's one of the biggest obstacles to creating an online course. People are like, I don't know what to teach. It's not usually that they don't have a lot of good ideas. It's usually they have too many. So we kind of work on that. And we talk about our system and how we have created a very easy way to create an online course. So we take out the stress, we take out the technology, and we make it so easy that you can launch in 6 weeks and, you know, make your first $1,000 online. And that's really what we're going to be talking about. So it'll be about an hour. I think last time we were just a couple minutes over. So it'll be good. It'll be a lot of fun. Tikwa and I are a lot of fun. So
awesome. Do you want to put the link here later for
sure. When I finish.
If people want to register, she's gonna put her link here so you can get in touch with her as well if you would like to. Thank you so much, Mary. Thank you, thank you. Enjoy your Saturday. You're more than welcome to come and stay if you want to refresh some of the things that we talked about. But thank you. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I'll stay for a little bit. I'm actually in the middle of working, but anyway, yeah, I would recommend Simone very well. So, you know, she's taught us a lot. She's true to her word, and she's given us some great strategies that I resisted, but I'm finding out that they actually really do work. So yeah, sign up. I'll see you later. Thanks, Mari.
Mary. You're awesome. Awesome. Mary, give it up.